Hey guys, we're having a great day as well as a great life.
We're back.
We're back. Time to hit some Montrose.
Montrose. I still am fucked up because I think we can cuss this early. Maybe I'll believe it. We'll figure it out. Because we used to, when we were like, we hit a Montrose song like a while ago.
Yeah.
And we both said the name, and I both think there's only one, like Montrose.
Uh-huh.
But everybody said we said it wrong, and I was like, how do we even say it wrong? So now every time I say it, I'm like, this is the only way I can think to say it.
All I know is this is not my department.
Like
That is all I
Montrose?
know. Yeah.
Montrose? Like maybe, but I don't think either of us said that. Anyways, so every time I like second guess myself because I'm like, there's only one way to read this, but we were told it was wrong so many times.
I can only assume that I'm incorrect for sure. I feel like it's like whatever my second or whatever my first and whatever my second intuition would be. It's probably neither of those. Probably.
I don't even know if I have a second or third. I think I just have the one. Montrose.
Right.
Montrose.
All I know is
Montrose.
we hit. I think it was on a live stream. We hit Rock Candy, I believe. I think we really liked it. It was like a couple of years ago, and a good follower of the channel has been asking for this one for a very long time, probably like 4 or 5 years.
I think a bunch of followers of the channel has been asking for this.
Yeah,
but
yeah. I'm very excited.
Let's do it.
Bad Motor Scooter 73.
You'll be in my place in less than a day. So get on your bed, motor scooter and ride. I'm going to my place and stay all night. Yeah. The first thing in the morning we'll be feeling alright, 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 alright. Get on your bed, motor scooter and ride. Ooh, the last time I seen since you've been gone, I've been feeling bad, yeah. I come out to your place, I'm afraid of your dad. So you get on your bad motor scooter and ride.
That buzz, dude.
Yeah. I'm afraid of your dad is a crazy lyric. Who's that 80 band who does that?
Yeah.
Who's that 80s band who has the same like?
Fuck, What are you talking about? I don't know. I don't remember, dude. Oh, Motley Crue. It absolutely
Motley
is
Crue.
Motley Crue. Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is in 73, which is
I know. I'm like, this is where Motley Crue got that.
I can see some of that. I can see some of that.
Damn, that's so wild.
This was fun.
Motor Scooter. Like, it's a cool song.
Bad motor scooter.
But it makes me like I don't know. It's like talking as if it's like this like high-end sports bike where they're doing the turns where their knees are touching the ground. It's like he's hyping his girl up to like get on his scooter. Like, I'm trying to think if I was
Yeah,
like,
paint the picture, dude.
his
You're
age,
trying to
like,
get her to ride. He said, you'll get to me in less than a day. That's still a lot of riding around.
get on your
He's
get on your Lime scooter. You'll be here in 3 hours.
He's got to paint the picture of this. Like, he's got to make it very picturesque. You know what I mean?
Really, it's the least chivalrous thing I've ever heard.
I'm scared of your dad.
I'm scared of your dad, so you
Honestly?
can drive. So you go ahead and drive your bad. It's not even a good motor scooter.
It might break down on you.
It might break down on you. It's only
You might have to walk the last quarter of the way.
It's only 20 miles, but it's gonna end up taking you a day.
I know your gas tank will only get you most of the way, but
But I'm afraid of your dad, so please, you're gonna have to do this.
Because like you ever get tired on your daddy's farm. So dude, imagine like a no nonsense farmer. He's got farmer strength.
Yeah, duh.
Like,
And
you don't mess with
pitchforks.
any of that. Probably a shotgun.
We just hit the John Barleycorn at Must Die record, and so it's like
for
that
sure.
guy would John Barleycorn you.
Yeah, there's no chance, dude.
Pitchforks and scythes, all, a whole bunch of stuff. But it's hilarious to be like, I'm afraid of your dad, so you're gonna have to drive all day.
On the motor scooter.
Your bad motor
Damn.
scooter. But it's like a really cool song. It's just funny to have
That
the
was a rocking
juxtaposition
song.
of the two.
Yeah. That was a rocking song, dude.
Yeah.
I love the sound of it.
Yeah, and again, also the like I said the Motley Crue reference, but like the fact that they're doing this in '73
It's pretty dope.
is very cool.
Pretty dope.
Like, dude, guitarists made their entire career. Now, this is no shit because I love Tom Morello, but one of the reasons he's so cool is because he makes his guitar sound like not a guitar. He's also a great guitar player, great riffs, like a bunch of cool stuff. But that's one of the things that made him so iconic. It's like this is starting in '73.
Yeah.
Like that's really, really dope. Yeah, I dug it. Voice was incredible. Band was tight. Get on your pad motor scooter.
I actually love it, dude. It's so fun.
Dude, if I knew this song back when Lime scooters were big, I would be listening to this every time.
I do low-key feel like this is one where like you're driving around and it comes on the radio. I do think you turn it up a little bit.
Yeah.
I think you turn it up. The fuzz was crazy in the verses and stuff.
This is great.
It's just a good no-nonsense rock and roll song.
All
There's
right.
a little bit of tomfoolery, but you know.
I mean, there's a lot of tomfoolery. It's I'm afraid of your dad and get on your bad motor scooter. But it's the right amount of tomfoolery. It's like
this is incredible.
it's fun adjacent tomfoolery.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, rating. 3, 2, 1. B+.
A half plus. Dang.
B+.
A half plus.
I might go A. I'm somewhere. Maybe I'm B 3/4 plus.
The boys did a bang up job.
They did a bang up job. I just don't know how many times I'm trying to listen to Bad Motor Scooter because I think I'll giggle.
Fair. It's fair.
But like, it's very cool.
It's fair. That is why I went not A plus, but the half plus. Didn't give him the full plus.
Maybe I could go A. I'm gonna go A then.
Nice.
Yeah. I'm doing
Yes,
A.
let's go. No, they did a good job. They did a good job.
For 73, it's a very good job. Also, I'm saying it's goofy, like the Bad Motor Scooter part, but we've listened to like the Beatles say, "Why don't we do it in the road?" So like they're afforded some liberties. Like I've definitely heard goofier songs.
It's very fair, very fair. The Beatles definitely have the most rights to be goofy, though.
That's true. I'm just saying I don't bat an eye when they're like Maxwell Silver Hammer, bop bop or whatever.
Yeah.
So Bad Motor
This
Scooter
is
I can
dope.
handle.
Let us know what we're gonna actually hit another from them or another
From who?
From the. I'm not saying the band name. Not a chance.
Okay.
You got it.
All right, we'll see you next video.
Yeah. Peace. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you had a good time watching that video, go on upvote the video, subscribe if you're not already. Check out some other videos here on the YouTube or on the Patreon if you want extra juicy stuff you can't get on YouTube.